This is to prove how loud you snore and how funny it is. Oh shit. Pause it.
Guess who's got eczema? Well, it's just you and me, Mr. Turkey. You know who's excited about Christmas? The credit card company.
There are new red carpet teams.
Space Senate Bill 245 to California Farm Bill, otherwise known as Indiana Freedom. Sounds good. If only it were true. In fact, the phone company bill would raise our taxes by millions of dollars, eliminate local community protections, and would allow phone companies to provide video services to only the wealthy. Please, call your local senator. Ask them to oppose SB 245.
And now, coming to you live from Los Angeles, California, it's Dick Clark's American Trainwreck Award, celebrating the most inventive celebrity in American entertainment. Please welcome Diana Ross and Anna Nicole Smith.
Me. You want someone that knows about trains to call Amtrak. You're joking around. Take it easy. Don't write a letter. I'm here to introduce two musicians.